I want to confirm that today we have arrested 2 Tanzanian nationals with 20 pieces of ivory and 2 vehicles trafficking those ivory within the Kenyan territory at Luby's petrol station. I want to commend the teams which carried out this operation. I want to commend the Lusaka Agreement Task Force. I want to commend the Kenya Wildlife Service Investigation Team Kajiado and also the Kenya Police for a well-coordinated operation to arrest these people. These people have been booked at Namanga police station and they will be arraigned in court on Monday. I believe that the wildlife trafficking is going on and we can be able to strengthen our international cross-border operations in order to eradicate wildlife crime. We can be able also to coordinate activities dealing with wildlife crime at the cross-border areas